There is one method I've been using to earn USDT while playing games, and almost nobody talks about it. I've been testing this method every single day, and honestly, most people completely overlook it. So in this video, I'm going to test it live again and show you exactly how it works step by step. Right, and today I'm gonna show you my usual process. So I love testing different crypto games, and everything I show in this video is for educational purposes only, and it's not a financial advice. But by the way, I will test a lot of different crypto games, so today I will show you all live right here. So some of them works really great, some of them don't, sometimes I get lucky, sometimes I don't. And okay, right now, honestly, that was actually pretty interesting, guys. But as you can see, it's different setups here, the different processes is mostly random here. Okay, I'm gonna test one more time here. Yeah, as you can see, it's total random. Okay, but what if I told you that I found a tool that seriously improved the quality of the game? So in today's video, I want to test it live in front of you. Okay, and that tool is called Epix, guys. That's a completely new tool. I'm gonna do a quick preparation here before, and look at this, guys. You can see it on the screen how cool it looks, and let me quickly make the settings here. I'm gonna do it like that. All right. Okay, and now all I need is just to watch the correct position here and pick the right spot. So the pour is, I know it's over there. I'm gonna check the other location, so let me just do it quickly. The 2 is over there, and the 1 on the left side, so the 2 is right over here. And just to be sure, I'm gonna check one more time where is the last one. That's over here. And look at that, guys. Yeah, look at that. That's a completely different game right now. Okay, by the way, after this, I'm going to send everything back and show you how it works in real time, so you can see the whole process live. I'm gonna do a quick preparation here. I'm gonna fill all the necessary information in the correct fields. Okay, and all I need to do is just go into my account, find the necessary information. So I'm gonna literally go there. Okay, I'm gonna grab it, and now I'm going back and just need to paste it over there and press confirm. Perfect. So now I'm just wait a little bit for everything to update, and I won't waste any time. Usually it works pretty fast. I'm gonna go back to my account, and as you can see, I already got a notification here, so I'm just literally gonna wait a few seconds here and wait the update. Okay, so let me just refresh the page one more time. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, everything is processed, so everything is already in the place. I'm gonna check it right here. Yeah, and as you can see, yeah, now everything is fine. All right, so let me just quickly check the main update here. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, friends, and I want to show you how this tool how I did the setup there, because not everyone knows about it. So this tool is called Epix, by the way. I'm gonna finish the session, and this tool is supposed to improve many games and platforms, guys. There is a lot of functionality inside, so there are different sections and different games inside, but I'll walk you through the setup process. But first, let me show you how I use the gift code. So I'm gonna go to this position right here, and I'm gonna enter it here, the special gift code. So you can see it on the screen right now. I'm gonna do like that and just press it. That's it, guys, that's it. This is how I get the first entry in bonus, and after that I'm just gonna follow the all settings inside. So I'm literally gonna choose the game what is allowed to me. I'm gonna open it once again here. Let me just start it, and as you can see here, there are different modes, guys. Today I was testing this one, so you can choose any mode you like, but I'll show you one more time on this example. Okay, so the process here is pretty simple, guys. All I just need to copy my information from this section. I'm gonna grab it like this. I'm gonna go back and just enter it, then like here. Okay, and the first is done, so the other 2 is on the way. I'm gonna show you the whole process as an example. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put it right over there and just press continue. So the numbers, I remember that was like that. Okay, I'm gonna go back, just type it right over there. Let me just fix it. Okay, yeah. So the loading is on the process. That means everything is fine. I'm gonna just wait a few seconds here. Okay, at the first it didn't find it right away, but since I know it went through, I'm gonna check it one more time. I'm gonna check it right here. Okay, and as you can see, everything works perfectly. If I press one more time, so that's exactly the moment what I show you earlier in this video. Okay guys, and if you enjoyed this video, I will show you the name of this tool somewhere here on the screen, so you can pause the video and find it by its name. So smash the like button, drop a comment right below this video, and let me know if you want more tests like this. I'll catch you in another one.